What's up, everybody? My name is Gav, and today we're answering a big question. Do I need a degree to become a programmer? But before we start, make sure you subscribe if you're interested in learning more about programming or, just generally want to become cool on the internet. And because we live in a world where everyone's attention span is super short, I'll literally just answer that question right now. Do I need a degree to become a programmer? The answer is no. There it is. So if you're done, you don't want to watch any more of the video, you can just cut it off right now because the answer is literally no, you do not need a degree to become a programmer. Does it help? Sure. Will some jobs require it? Sure. Does being 6'8" help you become a better basketball player? Yeah, it does. Does it mean you can't become a basketball player if you're not 6'8"? No, it doesn't. To further this point, we're going to look at some big tech companies' job boards and go through the job descriptions and see, do we actually need a degree? And I think the answer might surprise you a little bit. All right, let's start off with a little bit of Google here. So we got a technical solutions developer building Google Cloud. Nice, Waterloo. Nice, okay. Damn it! Okay, well, this video sucks. Clearly, I have no idea what I'm talking about because that's right there, number one. A related technical... Hey, no, we're bringing it right back. Or equivalent experience. Would a degree help in this situation? Yeah, probably. Having a computer science degree, it's literally the first line right after, minimum qualifications. But if we look into it though, literally, can you have a related technical field equivalent practical experience? So how do you get that practical experience? It's a great question. So let's look further down, preferred qualifications. So what do we got here? Experience in programming scripting language such as Java, C++, blah, 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 Python. Easy to do. So shell scripting and JavaScript, okay. A little bit of the UI stuff, understanding TV. So, for example, if I was applying for this job, I'd look at this and be like, okay, so I don't have a computer science degree. Sure. But I can definitely gain this experience right here. This is doable. I could take a Java course on Udemy or something, or Udemy, whatever the kids call it nowadays. I could work on building my own Python program. I could, build a web scraper using Python. Or, if you're doing game dev, you can use C++, Java. You can, let's say you're doing web app development, for example. So you can literally build these little tiny projects that go with it that can prove you have these skills. And you put together your resume, you're good to go. And all of which is super, super reasonable. Get started here. So cloud infrastructure developer, professional services. Yes. Would they like the degree? Of course. But key thing, equivalent practical experience. So this is one of the cool things about programming and coding in general. And this overall process is that it's I look at it like I would look at someone who's really good in the trades, for example. You don't necessarily need school in all trades. That's an overarching theme. Obviously, you need licensing for a lot of them. You need the proper experience and different colleges. That's beside the point. What I mean is, if you look at someone in the trades, for example, they know how to do what they are doing. They don't have a degree that says, yes, I understand how to do it, and then no real practical experience. They know how to do it. Programming and coding is a lot like that too. Either you know how to do it or you don't know how to do it. So yes, having these degrees is nice, but I would argue this part right here, having this equivalent practical experience is probably more important than anything. So then looking further again, software writing one of the languages, Java, Python, C++, same thing we just spoke about before. You can literally work on your own little side projects and build it up. All right, let's take a look at good old Cambridge Analytica. Sorry, I meant Facebook. I don't know how that slipped out there. Clearly, I said Cambridge. I said Facebook. I said Facebook Analytica. Facebook. Okay, moving on. So, data engineer, analytics, family ecosystems. That sounds fun. What do we got here? Craft your own stuff, build and data dimensional models. So exciting. Here we go. Minimum qualification: 4 years experience in data warehouse space. Okay, 4 years experience. Map reducer, MPP systems, SQL, data frame, object-oriented programming languages. So their minimum requirements right here literally don't overly mind if you have a degree literally at all. They will just say, do you have this experience and can you do it? Preferred qualifications, okay. BS/B in technical field, computer science and mathematics, knowledge of Python. Okay, sure. So would they like you to have it? Of course. Would it be a deal breaker if you don't? No. Because again, if you can show that you can do this stuff, it doesn't matter if you have this other, skills. I mean, again, it is helpful, but it's not mandatory. All right, let's look at another software engineering job, machine learning. Okay, develop, how scalable, minimum qualifications, experience in one of the following areas, machine learning. Oh, crazy. Machine learning job needs machine learning as a skill. Checks out. Dupe. So again, things you can Google, look up, add products to them, whatever. Preferred qualifications, an MS degree in computer science related quantitative field. So again, preferred is the degree, or related quantitative field of 5 years experience. So even though you don't have the degree, if you have the experience and you have the know-how to do it, that's all that really matters. And I mean, at this point, we probably really know what's going on, but just for fun, we'll look at Amazon as well. Let's go to Amazon right here. Let's do, let's go software, keep it general. Let's check out this one, senior software. So look at the description, lots going on. Basic qualifications, bachelor degree in computer science or related field. That's a little tougher. So they kind of explicitly say it's gotta be related to computer science. So, do some companies require it? Yeah, for sure. I've said I think 45 times during this. So that's something that's probably not annoying. But, development experience, professional software management. I would argue that even if you don't have this degree, that if you have this experience and you have a portfolio that shows you know what you're doing, that you'd probably be fine. And same general preferred qualifications. Can you do this? Can you do that? So nothing too crazy. So overall, you can see that, yes, some jobs require it. Do all? Definitely not. Most don't. As long as you have those true skills and experience and the portfolio that shows you know how to do it, that's all that really matters. All right, guys, thank you for watching my video. It's greatly appreciated. Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe. And if you actually come across any job applications that require like a PhD and Elon Musk's tiers or something like that, but also pages entry-level wages, please comment those below and please send them to me because I find them so funny. And eventually I want to kind of put them together and make a video about it and just show how insane they are. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you soon.